Good morning, everyone. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mama of French Girls. So yeah guys, today we are gonna be preparing fried breadfruit this morning. Yes, so for those of you who doesn't know what fried breadfruit is, for those of you who doesn't know what breadfruit is it's almost like a potato. You boil it the same way as potato. You fry it, you do whatever you like with it. After boiling it, then it has been boiled with just salt and water, and if you like, a little bit of oil, also. So there it has been boiled. So I'm gonna cut it in slices, and I'm gonna be frying it in my air fryer. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned. So guys, I have already sliced the breadfruit. It's the same process as plantain. As I was saying, guys, you use it the same way you use a plantain. You slice it and you put it in your oil. So my oil is heating right now. So yeah, so my kids so love this. I really do love it. It's simple, not difficult. So guys, this is my oil right there. It has already heated up, so I'm just gonna be putting it inside this thing. And I'm gonna be frying it. I want to cover it a little while because I don't want this oil to come upon my face. So yes guys, we'll check it in 1 minute. So guys, after 1 minute, I'm gonna be turning it a little. I like to eat it crunchy, yeah. So we are gonna be turning it. Maricia. I'm gonna be covering it again. So guys, after 1 minute, it's all done. I'm gonna let it drip the oil. This is where I like to use this, because it drips the oil on its own. Yeah guys, so I'll let it drip the oil on its own for some seconds. Yeah. And after dripping the oil, I'm gonna be putting it inside this. That's it? I add the pepper so it will take the excess oil away. Yes guys, I'm gonna be adding the rest. I didn't do much, but 1 slice. I'm gonna be frying it again, the same process. So guys, after 1 minute again, we go ahead and keep turning, so it won't burn. So I added 2 extra pieces because I know that these kids won't allow me. Cover again. So guys, after 1 minute, we go ahead and we let the oil drip out of it. Yep. share to you. So like I said, I'm gonna be putting up a picture of to show you what is breadfruit and what it is used for. I'm gonna be turning off this machine. Yep. So guys, since we added salt when cooking, so it doesn't need much salt, it's just a little. I'm gonna be sprinkling a bit of salt on it, just a little. And we're gonna be shaking. My hand is clean. Yes guys, and I'm gonna be having it with just a glass of fruit juice. Yeah. So guys, if you have watched this video till this extent and you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell guys. So please guys, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you. We're gonna be seeing you all in our next video. So for now, bye.